Hello everyone. This time I want to share how I add multiple materials into a single object or a mesh in Blender. Let us begin. Here we have a cube where we will put multiple materials into. Let us first create one material for this cube. We will navigate into the Material Properties tab and then hit New to make material. Let us change the base color. We now have one material. Let us create another material for our cube. In the Material Properties tab in our created material, there is a plus and minus sign buttons. Because we will add a new material, we need to add a new slot for the new material. Click the plus button to add one and click new for the new material. Now we have two materials created, but the new one is not in use. Let us change the base color. As you can see, nothing has changed. That is because the material that we have created is not yet in use, as I have said. To use the new material that we have created, we will first have to be in the edit mode. In the edit mode, remember to be in the face selection because you have to select the face where you want the new material to be applied. After selecting the face, go to the Material Properties tab, select the material you want to use and then click the Assign button. Now we have two materials in one single object or mesh. If you want to add more materials, just do the same procedure. That's it. This is how you add multiple materials into one single mesh in Blender. Thank you.